welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I have another Sugar and Kush little mini haul for you guys. I'm super excited because this time I got the chocolate chip cookies that I really wanted. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys along with a couple of other tinctures. So if you guys are not familiar with Sugar and Kush, they are a CBD line. They sell CBD oils and like edibles that have CBD in them. If you guys are not familiar with what CBD is, CBD is not weed. It does come from the marijuana plant, but it is extracted and it's not it's CBD, not THC. THC is what gets you high or gives you those like high psychedelic kind of feelings. CBD is just kind of what calms you down. It's used in skincare, it's used in hair care, it's used in like things like this, edibles, as just a relaxing agent. It does not get you high. You will not feel any type of way. You can totally go out and drive and do all these different things safely. So I just want to put that out there. I have been using these because I've just been going through a lot in my life. A lot of changes have been happening and I don't deal well with change as much as I thought I did. So there's that. But these have been helping me, kind of help me sleep, calm down. My mind stops kind of racing everywhere. It kind of just relaxes my body because that's what I need right now, a lot of calming things. It definitely has helped with my anxiety. Also, a little secret, a little extra nugget of info that helps with anxiety is actually a weighted blanket. I didn't think that it would, but it really does, you guys. Thank me later. When you're getting your weighted blanket, I got mine off of Amazon for about $40. Make sure you get a duvet. That way you can put that on and then just wash that, and it's a normal like a duvet. That way you don't have to go through the whole process of washing the weighted blanket. But side note, anyways, I want to share with you guys what I did get. So they did send me another gummy bear. So this one has 30 gummy bears inside. It has 25 milligrams of CBD, and all together in the whole jar it has 750 milligrams of CBD. These are really good if you just want something quick and to keep in your purse for like a quick snack or something like that. So I like those. The next things that I got were the orange creamsicle tincture oil. This has 500 milligrams of CBD, and then this one is the vanilla. I have not tried the vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead and try it right now because your girl is going through it. Every little bit helps. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and I'll show you guys how you do it. You just get one little pump and then you put it under your tongue. You let it sit for a little bit and absorb in. So good. So this one is the vanilla version. The vanilla version is my favorite. I also really like the orange creamsicle. These two are my favorites. The last time I got hazelnut and I got cotton candy, I thought I would love the cotton candy because in general I just love cotton candy. But I wasn't that much of a fan of it. Their oils all work the same though, and they work really well. You want to put it under your tongue because it sinks into your bloodstream a lot faster once it's under the tongue, because it has a lot more like nerve endings and different things that are going on under your tongue. Anatomy is crazy, y'all. The next thing that I did get was the cookies. Now the last time I got snickerdoodle cookies, this time I got chocolate chippies. I'm so excited. Chocolate chip is literally my favorite. The only thing is that these cookies, they just look like this. They come like that in a pack. These cookies literally are soft baked. I'm not a huge soft baked person. I wish it was a little bit more crunchy, but I totally get it because of the oil that's inside of it, so it makes it soft baked. But it's so good, you guys. So I really like these cookies because they don't taste like they have stuff inside. They just taste like regular cookies. And if you were to dip this in milk like I did last time, it's so good. You don't even taste anything, and it literally just tastes like a regular cookie. So I'm super excited. I really love Sugar and Kush, and I'm so excited to bring to you guys another coupon code. If you guys would like to try it out, go ahead and use my coupon code. It is an affiliate code, so I do get a little bit of a percentage from whatever you buy on there. Reesa 15 will save you a ton of money, and I do really genuinely love these products, and they really have been helping me just kind of cope with everything going on in my life, and just quarantine, and just going through all types of craziness that I'm going through. But they have really helped me, so I'm super excited. I hope you guys definitely try them out, and if you guys have tried them out, let me know in the comments below what you guys loved about them, what flavors are your favorite. And I'm sorry I'm doing all this kind of thing with my hand. I'm trying to get this video up because it's like raining outside and it's gonna come down real bad and my lighting is gonna go away, so I'm just kind of like speeding through it. But super excited about these. Definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much at Sugar and Kush for sending these my way. Like literally it came at the exact perfect time because your girl is going through it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe. I do lots of different things on there. I'm super active on there. I will chat with you all later. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe, you guys. Bye.